In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your HostPapa domain to your Shopify store. This process might seem a tad technical at first glance, but fear not, I'll guide you through each step with ease and clarity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your domain up and running on Shopify. To start, let's head over to your Shopify account. Open your browser and navigate to Shopify's login page at www.shopify.com/login. Once there, enter your store credentials. This will give you access to your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard, you'll see several options. Click on Settings, then navigate down to Domains. This section is where you manage all your domain connections. Now select Connect Existing Domain. In the field provided, type in your HostPapa domain name, such as your domain.com, and then click Next. With Shopify set up, let's switch our focus to your HostPapa account. Open a new tab in your browser and go to www.hostpapa.com/dashboard/. Log into your HostPapa account using your credentials. Once logged in, find and click on My cPanel under Web Hosting. This will direct you to a control panel where you can manage your domain settings. Scroll down until you locate the Zone Editor and click on it. This is where you will modify your DNS records. You will see a list of domains you own. Locate the one you want to connect to Shopify and click Manage. Begin by setting up an A record, find the row with name @ and type A. For the value, enter Shopify's IP address 23.227.38.6. Once you've entered these details, make sure to click Save Record. This step points your root domain directly to Shopify. Next, let's set up a sname record to ensure your domain is linked to Shopify servers. Look for the record with name, www, and type name. In the value field, type in shops.myshopify.com. Again, click Save Record. This configuration ensures that both your root domain and the www subdomain lead customers to your Shopify store. Now, with both the A record and tname set, return to your Shopify account to verify the connection. Go back to the domain section in your Shopify admin and click Verify Connection. Shopify will check if the domain details you've entered match the expected settings. Do note that DNS changes might take some time to propagate, sometimes up to 24 hours, although it usually takes just a few minutes. So if you don't see immediate results, be patient and come back to check later. And that's it. You've successfully connected your HostPapa domain to your Shopify store. This connection allows your customers to seamlessly access your online store through your custom domain, enhancing your brand's professionalism and accessibility. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!